What is up, YouTube? It's Joe, the broke basshead, and today we got the CRV table out, so that can only mean one thing. That's right, an unboxing video. And today we have the Recoil 6.5-inch two-way component speakers, the Echo Series REM65, and it's a 6.5-inch woofer. It's got a steel basket. I think it's a polycone. Rubber surround. It's got a 1-inch voice coil. I think it's on some copper clad aluminum wire. It's got a silk dome tweeter, 50 RMS, 100 watt max power handling, so not bad. You can pick these bad boys up like I did at Amazon. 42 bucks currently at the filming of this video at this time. And they got some decent reviews. And there wasn't really a whole lot of videos about these speakers, so you guys can go ahead and find them there. I'm not going to throw a link up because I'm pretty sure you guys can figure out how to use Amazon. So go to Amazon.com, type in Recoil REM65. There they are. Not sponsored or anything like that by Recoil. Bought these with my own money because I'm broke and they were very affordable. So let's go ahead and open these things up. Alright, you got the usual manual and stuff, and you're like most people on the internet, you're just gonna toss that to the side. We got some packaging. Alright, here are the woofers. Got a little hardware, got some screws. Tweeter, little mounting cup. We'll open those up in a second, and this looks like the crossovers right here. Feel pretty decent for some cheap stuff. I'm sorry, I should say inexpensive. Wow. Again, I'm doing this one-handed because that's how I roll. And that's all she wrote in the box. So let me get some of this plastic off and we'll take a look at this stuff. Alright, here we go. As you can see, there's an adjustment for the tweeter. +2, 0, and -2 dB, which +2 is really just 0, and then as you go to 0 and -2, it's just adding resistors. That's what those sand core resistors are doing right there. But yeah, I mean, that's it's got inductors and caps, so it looks like a proper 12 dB per octave crossover, which is kind of crazy at this price point. And then if you look in here, let's see if we can get up in the light. But if you can see in there, you can see that that's a silk dome tweeter, pretty decent. I mean, that's it's not really a small tweeter, it's pretty decent sized. There you go. Stamped steel, not bad. Check out the spider. Yeah, the magnet boot's a little crooked, Chinese, what do you expect? But I mean, the rubber and the polycone, it all feels pretty decent. I mean, especially for what you're paying. And even this crossover has got a bit of heft to it. So really kind of surprised at how substantial it feels for the money. So I'm going to try to do a sound test and see what they sound like. I don't have an enclosure, but I'll rig something up. Welcome back, guys. We've got the Recoil REM65 Echo Series here for a little sound test. I know I don't have it in an enclosure, but it's the best I could do right now, so we're just going to go ahead and test them out, see how they sound, see how bright the tweeters are. And the setup right here is we got the old school Sony. That's the STR DE875 home theater receiver. And that's being fed by the Mica Origin G2 coming out of the laptop. So we'll just go ahead and get right into it. Okay. The tweeter's got a lot of detail without being too bright. That woofer's moving pretty decent though. Focus. All right, well there you guys have it, man. I mean that's pretty impressive for the price. I mean that's right up there with your basic entry level Kicker, Alpine, Infinity, JBL. Probably even better than those basic Rockford Fosgates. I mean that's a pretty decent tweeter and crossover network, and that woofer. I mean it was getting it for a mid, you know, for mid bass it should do the trick. So I mean that pretty much sums it up, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check them out, go on Amazon. Just figured I'd do a little unboxing sound test video since I couldn't really find too much on YouTube about these Recoil 6.5. So stay tuned and we'll get them installed in the doors and see how they sound in the car. Again, thanks for watching.